This is xTool D5S, a multi-system scanner. For those who don't know, multi-system scanner is like compromise between simple engine code reader and bidirectional scan tool. They are also called 4-system scanners because usually they can scan engine, transmission, ABS and airbag module. So more or less 4 of the most important modules you will find in your car. Thanks to xTool company for sending me this over. And now let's check out this tool in action. When I unboxed it, it was already charged, so I could start using it right away. Just connect cable to your tablet and you can hook it up to car. However, first you will need to update your tool. So connect to Wi-Fi, go to update section, and if you want to use it straight away, you can just do update for your car brand. But for me, I just did whole update of everything, which took around 1 hour. But now I have my xTool updated, ready. So let me show you everything it can do. So this is home screen for xTool D5S, and as you can see there are special functions. And it means this xTool scanner is more advanced multi-system scanners because not all multi-system scanners can do service procedures. The D5S comes with 15 different service procedures like battery registration, parking brake reset, oil service light reset. These functions are used for service tasks on modern cars. If you have newer car with advanced battery management, usually the car that have start-stop feature, when you put new battery, you also need to code it, and for that you can use this battery service procedure. Or if you have problem with your DPF filter, you can do forced regeneration with DPF service procedure. You get the point. But not all of these features will work for any car. Car must support this feature in order for you to use it. To diagnose faults in system, you got 3 options: auto scan, diagnosis and OBD2. OBD2 is the most simple and it is very similar to what you find with this simple engine code reader. So with OBD2 we can look only in engine. We need to select protocol. If you don't know yours, simply hit this auto scan. And now we have access to 10 global OBD features, but only for engine control module, and we can read codes, clear codes, read live data, read freeze frame data, see readiness status, all of that global functionality. Now the advantage of having multi-system scanner is, let me show you, if we have only code reader, if I read fault codes, there is only one fault code, and for live data, we have total of 21 values. However, if I go back, go to auto scan, auto identification, or you can manually input your model, automatic detection. You can do automatic scan of all modules it can scan. So if in your car you have airbag module, engine module, transmission module and ABS module, with this automatic scan it will scan all of these modules at once. But first I want to show you engine control module. Now I am inside engine control module. If I go to read codes now, in engine now we have 3 different fault codes, and if I select live data, this is just engine control module. Now I can look at 60 different values. So the advantage of having multi-system scanner like this xTool D5S, it can retrieve more live data and can read more fault codes from your control modules. Buying your first OBD2 scanner can be really confusing. Trust me, I have been there also. But now I have been testing OBD2 scanners for past 2 years, so I can give you this free OBD2 scanner buyer's guide, which explains all scanner features, talk about 8 different scanner types, help you pick your next scanner for your needs, so you will not make any mistake and you will get functionality you want. And also it will show you how to get up to 43% discount when buying OBD2 scanner. It is completely free. Go download it in description. Now let me show you this automatic scan, and this will go through all of these systems. For this Mazda we only have engine control module and airbag control module. There is no ABS module and there is no transmission module. And the D5S found fault codes in both of modules. And it can also do diagnostic report for you. Go to this report and it will generate this PDF report for me, which you can then save, share and print out. Now for my Mazda, this scanner can also do demand self-test. I tried this. I suppose it tests my relays and fuses. Check this out. Hit yes. And it just tested a bunch of components and will give me new list of fault codes. Now I already have 6 different fault codes, and if I would want to get more information, I can only find it in live data. See, here we have a bunch of parameters we can use to diagnose our faults, but my fault codes were only about CAN bus system, so this data will not help me much. But if you have more common engine problems, like misfires, catalytic converter problems, or some other issues, you can use this live data page, or even build out your custom pages. Check this out, I can select any 4 different values, show selected. And now I build my custom live data page, and then some values you can also open and see them in graphs. And then of course, if you have fault codes causing your check engine light, like me, now I have my check engine light. You can simply go to this clear DTC, ignition on, engine off. Okay, let me turn off engine. Ignition on. Yes, you will lose DTC. Yes, that's what I want to do. Okay. And now if I start my engine, check engine light is gone. This is, I think, like 3rd or 4th multi-system scanner I have tried. I had one from Ansel and I had one from Launch and I think one other, but the xTool really feels like it's on different level. It does have service procedures, it works without any problems, the auto scan works without any issues. Like, the xTool doesn't make the most advanced scanners, but they make sure that functionality they have in scanner works fine without any issues. If you want to get your D5S, I will put link in description. You can also try using coupon code CarHacker, which should give you 10% off if you didn't get it already.